Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making safety your top priority. Shut the breaker, lock it out, and confirm 0 volts with a multimeter. Once done, remove the service panel and visually inspect connections, terminal lugs, and the compressor body for burns or oil stains that indicate leaks. Then connect manifold gauges and note low side and high side pressures. Abnormal readings show electrical or refrigerant problems. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection. This prevents injury while you diagnose the next steps. You now focus on the compressor's electrical health. Isolate the unit and measure resistance across run, start, and common terminals to detect shorts or opens. Values far outside manufacturer ranges mean failure. Next, test the start capacitor for rated microfarads and the start relay for continuity. A weak capacitor often prevents start. Once confirmed, power up briefly while observing current draw and listening. Humming, repeated clicks, or low RPM indicate mechanical seizure or electrical supply issues. You're at the finish line. Use your collected evidence to choose the fix. Replace a failed capacitor or relay, repair wiring, or swap the compressor. For refrigerant faults, recover and repair per code. When replacing components, double-check torque, insulation, and reweigh refrigerant to target pressures. If the unit fails to start and current exceeds the nameplate, try a hard start kit as a diagnostic step. If that doesn't work, stop and call a licensed technician. Overcurrent risks fire and motor damage, so don't push it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.